Hello and welcome back to Whirlwind Radio. This is Marcelo Sugdeo. Do you have a cracked screen and would like to replace it with a third-party screen? Not such a good idea because criminals can see what you're touching on your phone. And a cool feature in Google Pay that makes it easier for you to get back your money from your friends when you're out for a bite. The way you touch your phone screen can help hackers get details about your interaction with your phone. By these interactions, criminals can get information about how you use your phone. A university in Israel has shown that it's possible to impersonate a user by tracking touch movements on smartphones with compromised third-party touchscreens. A little while ago, I had a touch iPod. One day I was out and was doing something on my iPod. And after I was done, I reached out to place that iPod in my pocket. I was wearing a jacket at that time. It was a large, oversized jacket. So I thought I reached my pocket and I just let my iPod go. And less than a second later, it hit the road and just shattered my screen. I was like, oh no. Maybe you have experienced that with your phone or iPod and have since replaced your screen with a third-party screen that you've bought from maybe eBay or Amazon. Now that is where the problem lies. Some of these third-party screens have malicious codes embedded into them. So whether you're sending an email or doing a financial transaction or even playing games, the code are capturing your touches, and that can be used against you. If an attacker can understand the context of certain events, he can use the information to create a more effective, customized attack. So what the researchers did was to record 160 touch interaction sessions from users running many different applications. And using a series of questions and games, they used machine learning to determine the stroke velocity, the duration, and the stroke intervals, and specially modify on this was used on specially modified LG Nexus Android phones. And the team said that the machine learning results demonstrated an accurate rate, or the accuracy rate, of 92%. So that's pretty accurate. Now, getting this information into the wrong hands can open up a user to attacks. Of course, it's a little difficult to carry out, but with machine learning and capturing all of this data, criminals can now know how you use your phone. This poses a significant potential threat, but it can also be used as a defensive means to stop attacks. Think about it this way. By being able to identify certain touches that are normal for a user, this gives a pattern for that specific user. Now, if they notice that something is not normal, this will raise a red flag to say that something is not right here. We need to take a look at it. But then, this opens up a new whole area of capturing all touches on our screens, which can be beneficial for security. I can see that. But then privacy will be an issue to address. I just thought I will share that with you. If you have a third-party screen on your device, or may want to in the future, say you accidentally drop your phone, or like in my case, my iPod, don't even think about getting that third-party screen. Go with the OEM manufacturer screen, and that will save you a lot of headaches and keep you safe as well. Samsung has launched its latest Family Hub refrigerator, and this refrigerator integrates with its voice assistant, Bixby. The Family Hub uses the Internet of Things technology, which is a big thing for Samsung. This new Family Hub refrigerator is available in Singapore at this time, and it comes with a food management service feature, and this helps to manage the, say, for example, the expiry date of groceries through voice and also provides optimum recipes. Also, what it does, it provides personal weather and schedule related information. It also functions as a family communication platform where family members can share event information like photos and memos or notes. So imagine all of this being done on your fridge, having this digital dashboard that you can share photos, you can share upcoming events, swimming tomorrow at 7 o'clock, or place a note on your fridge to mow the lawn or to get some milk. Actually, talking about milk, I was at a MasterCard event a few months ago, and they were showcasing a Samsung fridge that connects to an app on your phone. So say you're traveling and just got back in the country, so you're at the airport. With that app, you can see what's in your fridge, the actual items in your fridge. So say you notice that your milk is running low. You can place an order on that app on your phone, and by the time you get home, that milk will be waiting for you at your door. And this, of course, is in the creative stage as of now, and will be rolling out on a larger scale in the near future. But I just wanted to share that with you as well to see how all of this is now being integrated into one, where your fridge can be a device that is not just used for cooling items, but it could be used as a communication piece as well, and also placing online orders. Now back to the Family Hub. This will connect with AI and IoT to bring a whole new experience and a whole new kitchen culture. And it would also be gathering local customized content and services to display on your fridge. Now this can be an area where people can gather, where families will gather over the preparation of meals and eventually eating a meal together right there in the kitchen, in front of your fridge, having the latest news or content according to your liking. Earlier this year, Google has brought its two existing online payment and transaction services. That's the Google Pay Send and the Google Wallet, under a single platform called the Google Pay. And to make it even stronger, Google has been adding many features and a series of new updates. By sending or even requesting money through Google Pay Send, users can now do so directly from the Google Pay app, which is a fairly simple process. Google said that once a user makes a payment through Google Pay, then they can ask for money from up to 5 people. Now, if you're out with a bunch of friends, well, I don't mean a big bunch of friends. If you're out with 5 people at a restaurant, having a drink, having a meal, and it's time now to pay that bill, rather than going around the room or everybody just paying their individual bills, you can make that payment, and then you can receive back your money from the rest of your friends through Google Pay. Also, Google Pay can also store mobile tickets and boarding passes purchased under a new tab called Passes, which can also store your gift cards. So this is all good news. The bad news is, for iOS users, the new Passes tab is only available for Android. Sorry. But Google is working to bring us this new feature to other platforms. So users also can be able to access Google Pay via desktops. So as of now, users will also be able to access Google Pay through desktop. So as of now, Google Pay is available on the Android, and where you can use to get your payments through your friends back. Also having that new Passes tab. But they're working on it so that we, iOS, Apple users, can eventually have and share in that feature when we go out for a drink with our friends. Thanks for taking the time to join us in World in Radio for this week. And on behalf of the rest of the team here, including our producer Lasky Hart and content provider and Gana Banerjee, and also to our research assistant and Gana Banerjee, and the rest of the team, this is Marcelo Sugdev, as always saying, stay safe in the technology world.